Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a small haul. And if you've seen my short, yes, Hobby Lobby has their Copic markers on clearance. I was able to talk to the gentleman that was just marking them down, so I had first dibs. He said that more than likely they will be getting rid of the Copics and going to their brand. He said he's not definite, but he said more than likely that's what they're doing. So I was so happy I was able to pick up this set, and that is a 24, and I am loving that. And then all of their single markers are $1.99, and I was so glad because I needed some more markers because I've been coloring a lot more frequently. So to see that sale, I was so excited, and I actually picked up the last one of these. The E11, and mine was dry, so I was so happy to get that. All right, so let me show you the next item that I also picked up about a week and a half ago. I know ours was sold out in our area, so I ended up going to Elkhart, Indiana, and my area is normally Mishawaka, Indiana. But anyways, I picked this up because I seen it at Hobby Lobby for $47.99. Sorry about shaking that. That's the Portrait 3. I do have a silhouette cameo, but I really debated on this because it was $47.99. I had thought to myself, if it goes down any lower than that, I was going to get it, and it did. And so I was happy to get that, and had to go to Elkhart to get it, but they matched the price, so I was so excited. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.